Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root of s to the power over of 4 we can change into s squared in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s to the power of 3 minus 1. Next, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have s to the power of 3 minus 1. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we do first the derivative of u squared and s to the power of 3 minus 1. So we have 2u du equals to 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u, so we have 1 over u. S squared ds we change by this one, so we have 2u over 3 du. U and u we simplify, so you got 2 over 3. The integration of this one we have 2 over 3 u plus c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.